What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be building a vehicle today. It's not gonna be any of these because these are already fully built. But today we will be building this Bronco today, and we will be playing this my favorite map. If you guys want to play it, go to play and you go. If you want to play multiplayer, play multiplayer. But you go to some single player because I usually play on single player. Go to custom maps. Go to mudding, and just go down, and it's usually right here. But mine's up here because I have as my favorites, but I would have a snorkel because it's really deep. I took this vehicle was actually in there, and it was very deep, very deep. And oh yeah, and thank you guys for 40 subscribers hitting on YouTube. And thank you guys. I hope we hit 50 subscribers because I will be making live streams on Off-Road Outlaws. And I would be making them on No Limit 2 as well. And because I will be also making making videos on what's it called? No Limit 2 with my tunes. I will share my tunes. On the next video, I will be posting a video like today around like 7:34, so stay tuned. And right now we're gonna be doing Off-Road Outlaws right now. So we're gonna start building this. So like usual, we're gonna max out power, grip, all this. Comment down below if we should make it diesel, because most of my trucks are diesel. But comment down below because I don't know what to do with a what I should do with this. So let me know in the comments below. What should I do? Gas or diesel? Okay, just let me know in the comments. So we're gonna be crap. So we're gonna be going to tuning. If you don't know and you're a beginner, you go to tuning and then you just upgrade this stuff. Monster truck. Alright. And oh, hey, there's my face. Sorry guys, this is like my second time doing this because I just found out that you can do this. So yeah, I'm gonna delete my face, so I feel like it's easier if I just do this. But this truck is gonna be awesome. I do have this truck in real life. If you guys don't believe me, I know. But we're gonna make this the greatest truck ever. Okay. So I'm gonna put some nasty mud boggers on here. I would rather put these on because they are good for the road. They're good for like most of everything on here. So I would buy these because they're the best on here probably on the tires. So I would stay tuned and do this. And I would leave how your trucks are, because if you mess with tunes on your truck, my opportunity. I think my goodness, I feel like I make mine worse So, yeah. Alright. So now, what else? I'm going to let's add, alright, let's add bumper. Let's add this bumper. Let's add this back bumper. I'm gonna add, let's add a roof rack, and I'll add little side shears like this. I'll leave them like this. And I would recommend putting this, like, I'd put these ones on because it's easier and you don't get caught on rocks. And I would put this light bar on and stuff. Hold on, give me 1 minute, guys. I'm sorry for taking a long time to do this stuff. I know you guys want to get onto the mudding part, but it takes me a long time to build this stuff because I usually have a lot going on. So, yeah. To this snorkel, add none of that. And please, guys, I'm just asking very nicely, please don't bully me in the comments because my mom gets really mad and I don't want, like, I don't want my YouTube channel to get deleted because this is, like, my dream to be a YouTuber and be YouTube famous. So please don't be haters in the comments. Please, I'm just asking nicely. It would be my best thing because if I get caught talking trash in the comments, it won't be good. But can you please just, and make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we get to 50 subscribers, please. And if we get to 50 subscribers, I will immediately make a live stream. And I might not make it right away because I'm going to be celebrating. So, but I would be very thankful for you guys if you guys did that for me. And I would like you guys to hit that like button. I want to hit over 100 likes on this video. So, hit over 100 likes on this video. Please. Alright. So we're going to upgrade this like crazy. Travel, boom, boom, boom. This stuff in the back. Add some rear steering here. Add at 30 my travel. Let's go. Right on the Bronco here. Let's go 7. Let's go with 7 in the back. 7 in the front. Let's go with 8. What's that? Spider Dave, you better behave. Oh, sorry guys. There's this meme on YouTube, and it got stuck in my head. Yeah, and I love it, but it's also kind of annoying because it gets stuck in my head so much. So yeah, guys, don't worry about that laugh. It's a mean laugh. Go 13 on the front, and let's go 13 in the front, 13 in the back. Let's go let's go, Holy crap, let me even know it's back. Let's go 12, 12, 1, 12, 2, 12, 3, 12, 4, 12, 12, 1, 12, 2, 12, 3. And then go in the front with 12, let's get to 12 real quick. 12, 1, 12, 2, 12, 3, 12, 4.
Dinner's ready.
And then this. Then this is good. You look good. And now we are taking out mudding. But I'm going to load this onto the trailer real quick. So, gotta go to car menu. Got click the trailer. Gotta go to this. Car menu, load this onto the trailer. Oh my gosh, don't ask about the trailer. We're gonna take this out. And let's do some mudding. Shall we? So, the map I like going to this map, like I said. Like I said, have a circle. But I will try out another map after this one if I make it through this trail. Because all the other trucks I had, I couldn't make it through this trail. Because I'd sink them or I would get stuck somewhere and no way would help. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that truck, bro. That thing is squatted. This is why I hate coming this way, bro. Alright, we gotta reset. Try to rear steer this and turn around, okay. So yes. They're honking at these people, bro. Even though I'm slow, they're just gonna be mean. Our goal today is make it through the trail. That's it. Make it through the trail. I'm gonna park straight in the entrance, like right here. Right here, I'm gonna park right here. I'm getting so much because I'm getting caught on the trailer, bro. Thanks for moving, bro. Stuck again. I'm gonna park like this. Guys, I love the sound of this. Okay, this doesn't block the way. this is usually the way I go. But this truck is a lot skinnier, and I made it a little shorter, so and I like it. This truck is probably the coolest truck I've had so far. That truck that I towed it with is like that was my second built truck. After I got all that money, I made a video on how I got that 2 million. And I would do it while you can, because that is going to get deleted in Off-Road Outlaws when Off-Road Outlaws sees it. So I would make sure to be careful, and I would get it quick. And don't just go searching on YouTube and if you see a video, and don't go searching on the internet, and then go on to Google and you find a website and it says free money and gold for Off-Road Outlaws. Don't even go on that, because I know you will know if it's a scam. Even if YouTube people show it, I would still not do it, because I know it's not gonna give you it, because I've tried it before and it gave me like a virus on my phone, so I had to throw my phone away. So yeah, and I would hate for that happen to you guys' tablets or phones, so I never would do it if I was you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to get through. And guys, you're gonna ask me why do you put in low gear all the time and make it rev out so much? The reason why I do it is because it makes you go faster through the mud, and even in real life, I would do it because it can burn the motor up. So in high, it doesn't move really that much, as you can guys see, and when I put it in low gear, it moves a little faster, and it's a little easier to move around in it. So yeah, you see it's under here, guys. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's under the map. Well, I didn't get to finish the trail, but you guys got to see the video, and please make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.